Welcome. In this video, we will analyze a Stelcor drilled-in displacement pile with DeepFND. Initially, we access and edit the soil properties for all soil types we wish to use in the particular example. We can edit the general soil properties, as well as the properties for the vertical and lateral springs. Next, we access and edit the borehole. We will specify 3 soil layers: a fill sand, a medium dense sand, and a glacial till. We double-click on the pile and select to edit the structural section of the helical pile in order to define the Stelcor pile section. We change the pile diameter to 2.5 inches and the pile thickness to 0.336 inches. We will use 2 helical plates, a 12 inches diameter stinger drive plate and a 14 inches diameter drive plate. We place the first plate half a foot above the pile tip. We will select the option to create a grouted pile, and we set the grout diameter to 8 inches. The Stelcor plates are usually grouted all the way to the pile top, so we will change the free length of the pile to 0.1 inches. We can adjust the fixed length of the pile in the Edit Pile dialog. We add a new loading stage and double-click on the load in the model area. In this example, we assume a 75 kips compression and a 20 kips uplift load, applied in different stages. We also assume a 1 kip lateral load applied on each of the main lateral directions X and Y. We analyze the pile. In the Analysis and Checking Summary table, we can see the critical results such as the bearing capacities in tension and compression, critical stress checks, and lateral pile analysis results. In the model area, we can see the bearing capacities in tension and compression, the estimated installation torque, as well as the lateral pile analysis graphs, including the pile moment, shear, and displacement diagrams. In the General tab of the program, we can switch to run a pushover analysis. After the analysis is completed, we can access the pile and display the lateral PY graphs. In the Edit Pile dialog, we can see critical structural check results and also load the checks for each helical plate. Book a meeting with our experts and discover how DeepFND can help you design deep foundation piles in the most efficient way.